homemade chicken Parmesan. I have sourdough breadcrumbs that I made with leftover sourdough. I have garlic powder and onion powder, salt and pepper. In here I have an egg with a little bit of milk mixed up. I have vegetable oil heating on the stove. I like to pound my chicken breast so it's real thin into little strips. So you're gonna drop the chicken into the egg wash, and then it's gonna go in your breadcrumbs. Make sure you have it coated good. Leftover sourdough makes the best panko breadcrumbs. Once your oil's heated up, drop your chicken into the oil. And I pound my chicken so thin, this is literally one breast, and it's gonna make 5 or 6 pieces. And I'm using my Lodge cast iron. That way, once this is fried, I can put the sauce and cheese on it and put it right in the oven. Not to state the obvious, but these breadcrumbs are gonna have to be thrown away since there was chicken in it. You're looking for the chicken to have a nice golden brown crust on each side. The chicken doesn't necessarily have to be cooked all the way through because you are gonna bake this. I slice mine and pound them so thin that they cook so quickly. Now that your chicken's fried to a nice golden brown, you're gonna top it with your favorite pasta sauce. I'm using my home canned, and I think this may be my last jar, so I'm looking forward to garden season. But first, I'm gonna try to get out some of that excess oil. I'm just gonna use a paper towel and kind of go around it a little bit. Some oil is fine to leave in it. It adds flavor. Okay, chicken's done. Sauce is gonna get poured directly on top. I did cut my heat, but obviously it's still hot. I have my oven preheated to 400 degrees. We're adding some mozzarella cheese and some Parmesan. The lid's gonna go on this and it's gonna go straight in the oven. I'm gonna cook it at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna take the lid off and cook it for another 10 just to brown the cheese. And while this is cooking, I'm gonna get my pasta cooked. I'm also making a quick broccoli stir fry to go with it. It baked for 20 minutes covered and 10 minutes uncovered. It looks delicious. Now, if your chicken breasts are thicker, you may need to bake it a little longer. Let me get my sourdough bread cut up and then we'll make a plate and try it. We have just a simple frozen stir fry, spaghetti noodles, because that's what I had on hand. And tonight's star of the show, chicken Parmesan. Some extra sauce on there. And that is dinner. It's delicious.